check this out. If this skyscraper represents your business, right? If this was to represent your business, and it's a 100-story skyscraper, what is the most important component of that skyscraper building? What is the most important component? Well, it's the invisible stuff, right? It's the foundation right here, okay? Okay? It's the foundation. So, for any structure, including business, right, the most important thing is the foundational piece. Now, what I have seen and what we notice is that a lot of people are trying to build their business, meaning, you know, aka their skyscraper, okay, on the internet. They want to get results, right? And so they go on this spree of buying courses and products and programs and you name it. You know what I'm talking about? Have you ever purchased a program and then you like, I got this piece of information right here and I know this is good information, but then when you try to apply it, it does not get you that. And you're like, what's going on here? And so you're like, okay, I must be missing something else. I got to go to this guy and I'm going to buy this program right here. And you do that and you still feel like something is missing. So you're buying like 10 different courses. You spend a small fortune of money that you don't have because you're trying to build your business, right? And you find yourself to be more frustrated, more overwhelmed, maybe more in debt. And then there's all this technology now where you have to build a funnel and build your site and this and that, and you know, you got social media and platforms and all these other things, and everything is piling up on you and everything is changing so fast. How do you keep the pace? How do you keep up? And more importantly, how do you get those results?
In this day and age, you don't need more information. You need a clear direction and a real guide. We help you take the guesswork out and actually guide you, step by step, on how to start and grow a thriving business online, without stress and overwhelm, so that you can have more freedom and live life on your terms. We help you build your dream business online, whether you're starting from scratch, or want to take your existing business to the next level. Get your free 7 Steps to Freedom guide below.